Welcome viewers. In this tutorial we will start to learn how to print using Python. Okay, so we'll learn the syntax and how to print, and then various programs we'll be looking at. Okay, I hope you have watched my previous tutorial where I explained about how to use the ripple.com, which is an online editor for Python. So print statement is what I am talking about. Right. Okay, so what is the use of print here? Simply you want to get some output. So let's take this as an output window. This is an output window. Okay, and you want the output hello Python. So this is what is the expected output. Okay, so for this what we do is simply use a print statement. Remember, Python is a case sensitive programming language, which means it treats uppercase and lowercase differently. So what is uppercase? Say for example, we'll see, take a simple example of apple, A-P-P-L-E. This could also be written in a lowercase A-P-P-L-E. Correct. So Python treats this and this apple are different. It is not the same. They are not the same. Okay. So this is case sensitivity. Okay, now coming back to your print statement, I was talking about how to print hello Python. Okay, all you have to do is simply open parenthesis. So parentheses are, some people say them, these are curved brackets, but throughout our tutorials we'll refer them as parentheses. Okay, so parenthesis and quotes, so I'll use double quotes. So double quotes are this, double quotes. And then whatever you want to write, so this is what we wanted to print, correct? Hello Python. See how simple it is. Print statement, parenthesis, quotes, and within that you simply type hello Python and you will get this desired output. Okay, all right, and we will also check out how are you. I want to print how are you. This is the next statement. So what do? Simple. Again, print, parenthesis, quotes, and then within that how are you. This is quite simple, isn't it? So I'll demonstrate the same on the Python editor. Okay, we are on ripple.com. So we'll create. So we have to create it Python. There are different options here. I'll just, because we are doing it in Python, simply click on Python. So we'll ask the title and put my name. Okay, and then simply you put your name. The name, this could be anybody's name. This is the title, right? Okay. So create ripple. This is the interface where we will go. Okay, so the title I have given is displayed here. Now we are talking about, now this is main.py. Py is the extension of Python files. So this text, ripple actually gives out .py. Okay, now we are talking about Python. Few things here before you get started. Let's talk about the interface. So this part which I'm highlighting, just trying to type here. This is the editor. Okay, editor is where you actually type code. And also you might have noticed when I was typing, it was prompting something. Okay, so it is called IntelliSense. See, if I say in between there was something, yes, can you see it? IntelliSense, yeah. So IntelliSense is something which prompts you. It gives you a prompt of the syntax, the function, and also if you look at this, there is a red underline. It says invalid syntax. So whenever you type something which is wrong, it will come in red. Okay, we'll come back to this anyway. So we are actually talking about printing statements, right? So print. See, this is IntelliSense what I'm talking about. Print and then parenthesis, it is giving out values, comma, sep, comma, end, file, flush, all that. Okay, we'll come back to this because we are in the first program. So we'll simply put parenthesis, okay, and then quotes, and then we'll simply say hello. Okay, isn't it easy? Print. Now what do we do? How do we get the output? Simply there is a green button there on top, or you can also use a control and enter. So either ways, keyboard or mouse. So I'm using the mouse in simplest form. Click on run and see. Was that easy? It was easy. And the second statement, which is how are you? So print parenthesis, quotes, how are you? And then simply print one after. So I'll just try to give you one exercise here, and then this is your task or exercise. We'll call it exercise. Exercise 1, print your name and then print your, okay, this is your task. And pause this video and come back to see if your output is correct. So after 2 minutes we are back, and then you got it right, well done. Otherwise if you find it, so I'll just do it. This is my name, okay, and my best friend's name. Sam is not my best friend, but still I'll just use some name. Okay, run. See. So this is about the basic print statement. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can always come back and visit my videos, and most of them now will be a continuation of this particular exercise or task, whatever you call. Keep coding and code with Bala. Thank you for watching the video.